Welcome to RHCSA.GURU. In this lab, we'll dive into the fundamentals of networking in Linux. You'll explore Linux networking concepts, learning essential commands and tools for managing network configurations. You will learn how to inspect network interfaces and their configurations, create a dummy network interface, and assign a static IP address. Now let's get started. Firstly, we will open a new terminal in VS Code to execute the commands needed for configuring and managing network setting in this lab. Use the ifconfig command to view the available network interfaces and their configurations, including IP addresses, net masks, and status. Alternatively, you can also use the IP address command to check network interface details, including assigned IP addresses and connection status. Now we will use the netstat (rnv) command to display the system's routing table, showing gateway information and network routes. Now install the bindutils package by using the yum install bindutils command. Simply just type the command in terminal and press Enter. This command will enable the use of nslookup for DNS resolution testing. Click on Check. Task completed. Now we will use nslookup google.com to retrieve domain information, including its resolved IP address and the DNS server being used for the query. Now we will check the status of the Network Manager service using systemctl status network manager. Ensure that it is in the active or running state for proper network management. Type the command in terminal and click on Enter. Results show that service is active. Start it with systemctl start network manager. Create a dummy network interface with modprobe dummy and IP link add dummy. Type dummy. Clear the terminal and paste the command and it will run. Now we will assign a static IP and activate the interface with this command. Copy and paste the command on terminal and click on Check. Task completed. Check the assigned IP and interface status with IP address show dummy command. Type and enter the command. It will run and show the result. Now we will list available network interfaces using nmcli, the CLI for Network Manager. It shows network interfaces, their status, and connection details. Activate the dummy interface using nmcli connection up dummy. Connection successfully activated. Set a static IPv4 address for dummy with nmcli connection modified dummy IPv4 addresses 10.03.12. Simply copy and paste the command plus click Enter for running the command. Configure the gateway for dummy with nmcli connection modified dummy IPv4. Gateway 10.031. Copy and paste. Set the IP assignment method to manual with nmcli connection modified dummy IPv4 method manual. Configure the DNS server for dummy with this command. Copy and paste the command. It will assign 8888 as the DNS server for dummy. Now we will apply the changes by restarting dummy with nmcli connection down dummy and nmcli connection up dummy. Copy, paste, and run the command. Connection successfully activated. Task completed. Check the applied configurations with IP address show dummy. Clear the terminal. Type IP address show dummy command and click enter to run it. Now we will add a secondary IPv4 address to dummy with this command. Restart dummy to apply changes with this command. Copy and paste the command. It restarts dummy to apply configuration changes. Task completed. Verify the updated IP setting with IP address show dummy. Launch the text-based network manager tool with nmcli. You can explore its options, but avoid making changes to prevent connection loss. This provides a user-friendly interface similar to nmcli. Explore its options. Move to the network configuration directory with cd/etc/sys config/network scripts. This folder contains network interface configuration scripts, mainly for older Linux versions. View the local hostname to IP mapping with cat/etc/hosts. This file acts as a simple DNS, resolving hostname to IP addresses locally. The /etc/hostname file holds the system's hostname. Now use edit/etc/resolve confi with 6/etc/resolve-sonf to set the DNS server to 8888. This command opens /etc/resolve-sonf in the VI editor, allowing you to set 8888 as the DNS server. Task completed. Now we will view nslookup with cat/etc/nslookup. This file defines the lookup order for system databases like hostname, users, and groups. Now we will test connectivity with ping 142.250.193.14. This checks if the target device is reachable, helping in basic network troubleshooting. Install the traceroute utility with yum install traceroute. Type it in terminal and press enter. This tool traces the path packets take to a destination, useful for network diagnostics. Trace the packet route to Google server with trace route 142.250.193.14. Type this in terminal, and after typing, press enter. This shows the path packets take to reach the destination, useful for network diagnostics. Now we will install tcpdump with yum install tcpdump command. This tool captures and analyzes network traffic in real time. Now capture network traffic on ETH0 with tcpdump iETH0. Type tcpdump iETH0 in terminal and press enter. Press Ctrl+C to stop the capture. Resolve Google's IP address with diggoogle.com. This command queries DNS servers for domain information, similar to nslookup. Now we will view Ethernet adapter details with ethtool@0. This displays information like speed, duplex mode, and link status. Congratulations! You've successfully completed the Linux networking exercise. Mark as completed.